Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to display mirror your Android phone over to your Chromecast. So this is very easy. Just go on over to settings right here and go to your network and just look at your network. Make sure you're connected here. And then you need to go over to your Google, your phone, your Android phone, and then just swipe on down from the top. And make sure you're connected to the same network. So I'm not connected to the same network, so I'm going to switch this on over. So you have to have Wi-Fi turned on for this. So I'm going to turn it on right here. It's going to scan for all these different networks. And then whatever says on my Chromecast, I'm going to connect to on my phone. Now, once I'm connected on here, I can swipe on down from the top. And I'm looking for an option called Display Mirroring, Cast, Smart View. There's going to be some sort of option on your Android phone. So on my Samsung phone, it's called Smart View. You can see my Google Chromecast list on here called Timmy. I'm going to select it and go to Start Now. And then I can go back to my screen here. And you can see it is displayed on my screen. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.